Jai Srimanarayana. 155th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Pramsave Namaha. O Srimanarayana, you came down as a small boy Vamana and you started expanding yourself to all the worlds and you became vast. Your body is vast and you became Trivikrama. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Pramsave Namaha. Om Pramsave Namaha. Visualizing the high rate of expansion from Vamana to Trivikrama within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Lakshmana is requesting Ramachandra Swami in so many ways and asking Rama to take Lakshmana along with him to the forest. And now Lakshmana is saying that, "Oh Rama, Bharata has so much of fear about you, he is scared of you. With that kind of respect and fear, Bharata would definitely take care of our mothers Kausalya Devi, Sumitra Devi very well. And also in our mothers Kausalya Devi, Sumitra Devi, they have so much of brave and they are courage enough to take care of themselves. They don't need anyone's support. That is why, Rama, you please take me along with you. I will not cause any kind of pain or trouble to you, but I will definitely take care of everything about you and for you. I take my Dhanuradaya Sasaram Agrataste Gamishyami. I take my bow and arrows and I will be walking ahead of you and make sure that the way that you are walking is very much safe. Like that, O Rama, aham sarvam karishyami jagrataha swapataschate. I will make sure the food is ready for you at every food time, and also I will make sure whenever you are awake, whenever you are asleep, I will make sure all the things are taken care for you. O Rama, please let me serve you in all aspects and respects in Aranyam. When Lakshmana requesting in so many ways, finally Rama got convinced and said, "Oh Lakshmana, okay, you are also going with me. You go ahead and make all of your belongings ready. And also you tell your friends that you are going to go along with me." And then Rama says, "Oh Lakshmana, do you remember in our Janaka Maharaju's Yajnam, Varunadeva gave us such a glorious, dreadful bows and arrows, and then so many swords, so many weapons. I kept all those weapons in our Acharya Vasishtha Maharshi's house. Oh Lakshmana, now we need all of them. Come on, go ahead and get all our weapons and let us get ready. Then Lakshmana, with so much happiness, immediately told all his friends, and along with his friends went to Vasishtha Maharshi's house and got all the weapons and came back and showing to Rama. Then now Rama says that, oh Lakshmana, aham pradatumichhami edidam mamakam dhanam brahmanebhyah tapasvibhyah tvaya saha parantapa. Lakshmana, come, let both of us start donating all the things that we have and start worshipping all the great acharyas, scholars, brahmanas, and get their blessings. And now let us start getting ready to go to Aranyam. That is why, Lakshmana, you go ahead and get Vasishtha Maharshi's son Suyajna. Get Suyajna here. Let us worship him. Let us worship all the other acharyas. And then let us start from here. When Rama said like this, Lakshmana immediately went to Suyajna's house. At that time, Vasishtha Maharshi's son Suyajna was doing Havan. Lakshmana says, oh Maharshi, Ramachandra Swami is now about to leave to Aranyavasam. He is requesting you to get there so that he would do puja to you, he would worship you and take your permission, take your blessing. When Suyajna heard that news, he immediately started from there, and Suyajna came to Sita Ramachandra Swami. Now Rama, along with Sita Devi, doing namaskaram to Suyajna and doing parikrama to Suyajna, and also donating things to all other acharyas and doing namaskaram to all of them. What is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 17th sloka. Vupendro Vamanaha Pramsuhu Amoghaha Suchihi Urjitaha Atindraha Sangrahaha Sargo Dhrutatma Niyamo Yamaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Pramsave Namaha. Om Pramsave Namaha. Om Pramsave Namaha.